So guys, if you're seeing this error right now, for the first step, you're going to click on Shift plus F10 on your keyboard, which is now going to pull up the command prompt. Now, I'm on Windows right now, so just imagine that I have this error myself. So imagine that I clicked on Shift plus F10, which now pulled up the command prompt. You should now be seeing the command prompt on your screen. Now, once you're in the command prompt, you're going to type in regedit. Click on Enter. And if this comes up, you're going to click on Yes. This is now going to open up the registry editor. You should now be seeing the registry editor on your screen. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'm going to be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine. Now you want to expand system. Now you want to expand setup. Now you want to expand status. I'm going to make this a bit bigger now. Now you want to click on child completion. And now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. Now once you're on this, you want to find setup.exe. You want to double click on setup. Now make sure in this box right here you have the number 3. In your case, you may be saying number 1. You want to delete this and then type in 3 and then click on OK. And then once you've done that, for the last step, you can now click on OK on the error message, and now your problem should be fixed.